That's my seagull sound. Hey guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm going to the beach today with my friends Caitlin, Pablo, Karen, and then I haven't met Lindsay yet, but Lindsay is Caitlin's best friend and I've heard very good things, so I'm excited to meet her. And yeah, so I'm getting ready right now. I have my swimsuit on under this. I have my cute little frog shirt on that Mars gave me. But yeah, I'm very excitedly getting ready. What time is it right now? I swear I can't look at the time, so I'll just assume that I need to hurry my ass up. So give me a second. Okay, all ready. And I was gonna wash my hair last night, but one freaking power went out, so I was too scared to take a shower in the dark. And also I was like, I'm going to the beach. Do I really have to wash my hair? And I came upon the answer no. So it doesn't look great. You can tell she's a little greasy, but it's okay. We love her anyway. It's fine. It's fine. You guys forgive me. It's okay. We're at Caitlin's house now. Hello. We're in the car. Lindsay arrived. There's Karen. Yeah. We're at Jimmy John's. So aesthetic. It's giving. Yes. What's it so long for? Like what? It's so. Hello? Just wanna see it. I got a local party, yes, I crank it every day. I know you love me. I know you care. Just shout whenever, and I'll be there. We're here. What, like the water?
Yeah.
No one has ever said that Galveston's water is blue.
Yes, they have.
What? When has Galveston's water ever been blue? Like in the history of ever? Maybe. Hasn't the Mississippi River always been gross though? That's what feeds into it. Guys, I went in the water. I'm so cool. You're so cool. You went so far. I'm such a big boy. I'm a big guy. Jesus, my bangs look atrocious. All right, that's fine. We got snow cones. They got mango. Yeah, they got mango, and I got blue coconut. New Orleans snow cones are way better, but it's okay. I expected this to happen. Like the shaved ice is like eating snow. Like it's lovely.
The place, we're gonna have dinner at this pizza place, but they have like wings and pasta and stuff too. It's so good. And then we're going to this place called Rita's. It's Italian ice, so it's like better snow cones.
Ooh, awesome.
We go there every single time we come.
Perfect. I'm very excited. Oh my god. Bro, look at all the friggin' seagulls.
But I already know I'm getting from the place for dinner. They have buffalo wings that are like literally the best ever.
Nice.
Like better than Wingstop.
I win.
Okay. I took over her phone.
I have icy all over my hands now.
Someone from Baldwin told me their towel, so I could.
Pablo, show us your feet. Look what he did. First of all, he went into the ocean with his friggin' socks on and now he lost one. Like an idiot. Lesson learned, we don't go in the ocean with socks on, Pablo. Wrapping up at the beach and we're gonna go eat and stuff. Yeah, and now we need to rinse off. I look atrocious, but it's okay. And change, because I feel gross, so. wish I had my phone on me when I just saw this, but there was this dog that was off leash and it was so freaking cute. It was just a tiny chihuahua, but it was being so good. No, chihuahua. No, not koala. No, but it was just, the lady was like, just, you know, have it walk around. Like, she just, it was so well behaved. It was so good. And it was so cute, and I just liked it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. The bangs are not giving. They're weirdly swooping. It was someone's birthday, so the cast? What the heck? I'm a theater kid. The employees just sang for them, and if I was that person, I would actively kill myself in the middle of the restaurant.
Yeah. We're in agreement. Yeah.
Also, someone might have taken our pizza, but that's not the. That's besides the point. We'll see. I got cotton candy. Pablo got pina colada.
Mango.
And then
I got a small vanilla or custard.
that is not small, but okay.
Yeah, I said like small waffle bowl. Here's your
Period.
That's the only thing I had.
Freeze your
Break a piece. Break a piece.
Oh yeah. Put your tongue through it. Oh, huh.
That looks so weird.
Mm-mm.
Not about the money, money, money. We don't need the money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. It ain't about the
Like you have friends and I've had buddies. It's true, but they don't turn my tummy. I'm gonna keep this outro short and sweet because y'all probably don't want to hear me ramble on for hours. And also, I am tired and I have summer school tomorrow. So, but yeah, had lots and lots of fun. I only got a little bit sunburned, sure, sunburnt, just a little on my butt, and my lower back, actually kind of all along my back, but only on the right side of my body, which is funny. But also, it's really not that bad. So, score for me. And I went in the ocean. For those of you that don't know, I have a fear of the ocean. It just freaks me the fuck out. But I went in. I am so cool. I said I would keep this short and sweet, but it's already like nearing a minute. But it's fine. It's fine. You guys don't mind. But yeah, so will this video be out today or tonight? Maybe. I'll see. I can't pinky promise, but I'm going to try. To you, it won't really matter anyway. It'll just matter with me editing. So we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, so I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.